Ух, бля.
Что?
Нифига себе звук.
А так его еще никто не открывал. Надо пару раз открыть его.
First Tracker came out in 1989. It was confused Suzuki, and it thought that it was Chevrolet. Tracker was simple, cheap and reliable car. Second generation came up with V6 and minor changes. Third generation came out in 2012, and it wasn't selling very good. But in 2017, after restyling, it was getting popular year by year, and in 2019, sales increased by 30%. In my opinion, Tracker is car and fashion accessory. To make a car that will sell in this difficult market, subcompact SUVs, I think that's a very good success. I like the lines of it. It looks nice, modern and very hype. The interior is nice. Of course, there are some negatives about the interior. Look at this spot. Car done only 400 kilometers, it's already dirty. Not because the owner is filthy person, owner is actually a very clean person. But the seats are very filthy, so be careful with the white seats, just buy leather ones. Armrest is the most horrible part of this car. You get only one, and if they put pencil instead of this horrible material, I would not really tell any difference. Also, the gear knob is from Chevrolet Cobalt and it looks very cheap. Display is small and very slow. There are some good things about the interior. You got system MyLink and 10 airbags. Overall, interior feels very plasticky and cheap like everything else in this market. And it's a copy of old version of Chevrolet Cruze. The backup camera is very nice. I like the picture and it responds to my wheel very good. Engine here is 1.8 liter and it generates 140 brake horsepower. It's the same engine that was in Chevrolet Orlando. You must change the timing chain every 50,000 kilometers. GM says 100,000 kilometers, but I really don't trust the GM belts. So it's better to change it every 50,000 kilometers. I would not recommend to buy 1.4 liter turbo because you must change turbocharger every 100,000 kilometers, and 1.8 is more simpler and more reliable engine. 0 to 100 kilometers with engine 1.8 car will reach in 11 seconds. The fuel consumption is 9.5 liters per 100 kilometers. That's what manufacturer claims, but in real life it's 11. On front-wheel drive cars you got only 5-speed gearbox, but with all-wheel drive you get 6-speed gearbox. Also, if you have all-wheel drive you will get 4 disc brakes, not the drum brakes that are at the back. But we have front version, so we have horrible drum brakes at the back.
Chevrolet Tracker, or Trax, as you call it in United States. Here we call it Tracker because Trax means sexual intercourse, very violently in our Russian language that we all speak in CIS region. Well, I'll be honest with you, it looks good. Handles not bad for its size, but it's very hard. Like, ride is just deadly hard. I can feel every bump, every crack on the road, and that's horrible feeling. In United States, this generation of Trax is very popular. I don't know why. A lot of people like it when they buy it, and especially family people, they enjoy it. But I don't see what's the point. Here in Uzbekistan, we have very small variety of cars in small budget that we can buy. That's why for me this car is interesting. Right now it's $90,000. It's Premier, but it's not Premier. It's special Premier for our CIS region. Doesn't have leather seats, drum brakes, no sunroof, but it's called Premier. And well, first of all, noise. Noise is very loud. I don't like the noise in this car. It's always here. Doesn't matter what gear you're in, doesn't matter what kind of driving you do, you accelerate or you drive slowly, anyway you can feel the noise, and it's very annoying, very annoying. Also, here is no climate control. Why there is no climate control, I don't understand. It's a huge mystery for me. Overall, I see it like in Chevrolet Cruze, like 100 100% feeling like this car feels inside identical as Chevrolet Cruze, and even drives as Chevrolet Cruze. It has this like higher position, and you can feel the wobbling of the car also. I mean, not so bad for this car in this market, but anyway, it wobbles like everything else in this market. It's very good urban off-roader. What does it mean? It means when it's going to be a little bit snowy or dirty, if you have four-wheel drive, this car will deal with it without any problem. If you don't have four-wheel drive, I have no idea what will happen. But reviews of driving it in very not comfortable conditions are good. So manual transmission. Well, it's very slow. Upshift takes about 2-3 seconds. Okay, not 2-3, about 1 second. Downshift, it jerks, just jerks, and then it goes up. Upshift again is good. Car is brand new, it's done only 405 kilometers, and already back doors are making horrible noises when you open them. I don't know why is that. Overall, not a bad car. Why not? Why not? What I don't like here is seating position. It's very annoying, and just I cannot live with that. It's really, really annoying. Well, it feels very weird. I'll be honest with you. Very weird car, and I did not expect it to have so many strange feelings when I will drive it. Backup camera is perfect. I like the picture. Yep. And it's a little bit panicky. But overall, nice picture of the backup camera. Ah, crazy bicyclist.